Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Edge garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming. Find the 3 home link buttons on your overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outer buttons for approximately 20 seconds. The indicator light will flash slowly at first, then rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that the memory has been successfully cleared. You can now release the buttons and prepare for the next step. Now, let's program a fixed code garage door remote. Position your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the button on your garage remote. Keep holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. Once it flashes rapidly, you can release both buttons. For rolling code systems, an extra step is needed. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and find the Learn or Smart button. Press and immediately release this button. The indicator light on the motor unit will stay lit for about 30 seconds. Quickly return to your Ford Edge and firmly press the desired home link button 3 times. The garage door should now activate, indicating successful programming of your rolling code system. Finally, let's test your newly programmed home link button. Press the button you just programmed once. Your garage door should now open or close smoothly and reliably. If it doesn't work as expected, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to each instruction. Also, ensure your original garage door remote has fresh batteries for optimal signal strength during the programming process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.